Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to take a screenshot on your PC, how to capture your screenshots on your PC. Yeah, probably you know how to do this on phone. It's very easy to use on your mobile phone, on Android phone, whatever phone. Now on your PC, there are different ways you can do it. In fact, tens or maybe hundreds of tens of ways that you can take a screenshot PC. And if you search on take a screenshot or take it on your PC, you're going to get a very easy way to do this right from your keyboard, your PC keyboard. All you need to do is just click on the window you would like to capture on the website or on the web page or anywhere on your website you want to capture a page. All you need to do, what you just have to do, is open up the page. It would be your browser or it could be your Windows Explorer area. So all you need to do, just open the window, and once it's open, you click on press on the control button on your keyboard. You put a finger on that, you press it down, and then you also click on, you can use your other hand, and then you click on the print screen. The print screen on your keyboard, and you're going to see that on the top right corner of the top, by the right hand side of your keyboard at the very top. Sometimes you're going to see a home, just close to it, you see a kind of home, I'm going to put it, you're going to see something, print screen is going to be there. It's going to be like this, and also it's going to be in a box, and then on top of it, you're going to see something like, you're going to see home written on top, not written, I don't know the word to use right there, inscribed, yes, inscribed at the top of print screen. So you just look for print screen at the top of your keyboard, at the right hand side of the top of your keyboard, and then just use your left hand, you click on control, and then use your right hand and then click on print screen. You're going to press this down, you're going to hold the control key down, and then just click you're going to tap on or press on the print screen key. So once you do that, then you can now go over to a program like Paint. You go to your Windows Explorer, and then you locate Paint button where you'll be able to paste your image. You head over to Paint, and then you paste your image. So let me see if I can do that and show you how it's done. I want to open and Paint for you right from my, I think let me locate Paint right here. So now I've come to my start menu in my Windows, and then I'm going to click on, I don't want, this is Paint 3D, I don't want to use this, I want to use just the regular the common paints. That's what I want to use, but it's not opening. I don't know what's wrong. So let me use this and see if it's going to work. Just locate Paint on your PC, and then you open it, and then you wait for it to open up. And so I don't know what's wrong, it's not opening. So I'm going to try that. Okay, it's open right now. So now I'm going to take a screenshot now by using the first method. So what I'm going to do is this. I've opened a series of buttons, so I'm going to close some of them. One more is gone, I think. Okay, yeah, I have one more left. So now I'm going to take a screenshot. Okay, I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Let me take a screenshot of my Warrior Plus account. So I'm going to press on the control key, and I'm going to press on the print screen key. So I've done that, and then right now I'm going to head over to my Paint, and then I'll click on new. I'm using the 3D Paint version, and then I'm going to click on new. I think I'm having problem with this. Let me look for, permit me please, let me look for the regular Paint version, which is much more easier to do. I don't like getting stuck on stuff like this. So I've not we are still here, but now to take a screenshot with our keyboard, with our PC keyboard. So I'm going to show you how to do this, how you transfer your image after capturing your image, and then I'll show you how to transfer that to Paint right now. So I want to quickly look for an image. My Paint is not loading up. The Paint app is not loading up, so I want to quickly strategize and get an easy way to go about that. So I'm going to do this. Let me use an image right here. Let me use this image, and then I'm going to edit this. Let's see what happened. So here I'm going to make this a kind of a yep. So I'm going to say fill. No, I'm having something now. So this is just a draft. So now I've gotten my paint open. So I just simply click on paste, Ctrl V. So once I've done that, it's going to load up the app. It's going to load up my page which I copied. Let's see. I don't know what's happening. Ctrl V. Oh, it's not working. Let me head over and copy and screenshot this again using the keyboard. I'm going to use Control and then print screen. And then I'm going to come over here, and then I'm going to paste Ctrl V. Oh, it's not working again. Let me see. I'm going to come again, Control Alternate, and then print screen. Let's see. Let me paste this. Oh, it's not working again. Okay, I'm going to try it last time. Control Function Print Screen. I'm going to paste it right here, Ctrl V. Wow, so it's done. So here's what I did. So you see, Google actually gave us a wrong information. All I want to do, I pressed on Control key, and then there is a function key just close to the Control key. You're going to see it there. You also click on the function key, FN. You're going to see it there, FN. The function key is beside the Windows Home key, and is between the Windows Home key and the Control key. So you're going to press on you're going to press the Control key, press on the function key, and then press the home. Press the we now press on this, the print screen, PRT screen, or at the right hand side of your keyboard. So that's how you're going to use 3 keys to get that done, and then you open your paints, and then you simply paste it right here. So that's how to do that as the first method. Another way you can actually screenshot your PC is you can make use of apps on Chrome apps. So for instance, I have one here. The name is the full page screen capture. You can see it. The full page screen capture is going to help you to capture the full page, everything on a web page. Everything on a web page is going to screenshot that for you. So I'm going to give you an example right now. I'm going to show you how that works. So all I need to do, you can Google search, you're going to Google search full page screen capture. So when you get that, you're going to see you install the Chrome app on your Chrome browser. So once it's installed and you have it here, you simply go to the page you want to screenshot, a full page capture, and then click on the app right here. I've clicked it now, so it's going to try and capture everything. So screen capture in progress. So it's capturing it right now. It's capturing every page to the bottom of the web page. So it's going to capture everything for me, and it's wonderful when you see the results at the other end of the tab. So it's almost done right now. It's done. So it's going to load it up in a new tab, the screen capture results. It's loading, and then you see it'll load up right here. So it's very simple to do. This is the second way to capture your your screen on PC, but now this is going to capture for you. It's going to capture a whole web page for you. So you can see this is the whole web page captured. So you can see it. So that's it. I can download it, and I can download this in PDF version. You can download this in image version. So it's very good. If you have a sales page, you have a sales letter, you have something you want to capture a whole page and then send to someone, or use a graphical explanation, this app is going to help you do that. Also, number 3, another way to take a screenshot on your PC is also, there's another app you can use. It's called Take a Screenshot. Yeah, so this app is going to help you take screenshots on your PC. All you need to do, you go to Google search and then search take a screenshot, and then you're going to see option for a Chrome browser, a Chrome app, So there you can see this is for Android device. Light shot. Am I using light shot? Okay, I think this is it. Light shot, fast screenshot of selected area. So you can do this, install this, and then you have it on your Chrome app. So now if I'm going to take a screenshot of this, all I'm going to do is I'll simply click on it, and then it gives me a chance to select where I want to copy. Okay, it's not loaded yet. It's loading. So it's going to duplicate the page I want to screenshot. So it's duplicating the page right now. So once it's done, I'll be able, now it has duplicated the page I want to screenshot. You can see this is the page here. This is the initial page, and then this app has duplicated the page, and then I can now screenshot the area. So I'll just head over and then drag, and then the size, no matter I want, how long, how big I want. So I'm just going to click here, and then boom, I'm going to release. So now it's going to give me functions, to edit it and make changes. There's a pen, there's a line to draw lines, there's an arrow if I want to draw arrow and specify some things. And if I want to mark an area, you want to mark something and then show, it's here, it's right here, the play button is right here. Or a text, I want to add a text, a lot of that. Hey, yep, like that. Happy New Year. I want to write anything. And if I want to add a text color, I want to add, I don't know, you want to do anything. It's on red. I want to change button. You can change the color and change the area to blue, black, whatever, and then say, hey, click here, click here, click here, click here, click here, click here. So you can come over here, and then I'm gonna change it to black or whatever, and then it's done. Oh, it missed that. So you can also undo what you've done. You've made an error, you can undo, and you can save. You can save your screenshot to whatever folder you want, or to your social network. You can share directly to your social network. You can upload to PrtScn.com. You can Google, you send it, search similar images on Google, and you can print your new screenshot, and you can also copy it and transfer to anywhere you want to do this. So I've showed you 3 different ways to take a screenshot on your PC. I hope you find this wonderful and exciting. If you love this video, you want more tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, ask questions, like this, click on the bell button to get notifications. And if you want to make money online, this is the right channel to follow. Check out my past videos. I've shown a lot of ways to make money online, and I want you to get in touch. If you have any problem, I'm always reachable. There's a link below to join my group, my Telegram channel, Online Monthly Income, where I share ideas and I give, good ways to make money online. So my name is John Anavin. Thank you for watching to the end. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, follow me, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.